This video tutorial I will explain how to download and install WhatsApp in Windows 11 operating system. For that, first visit WhatsApp website to download the installer. Then run the installer and install the app. Then open WhatsApp desktop and scan the QR code using your mobile WhatsApp. For that, open WhatsApp in your phone and go to settings and click on link devices. Then using a link device option, you can scan the QR code on your Windows 11 screen. We will see how to do that. Go to this WhatsApp website. Download WhatsApp app. Desktop Windows. Click on this. It is downloaded. Click on the installer to install WhatsApp. It is successfully installed and WhatsApp has been opened. To set up WhatsApp on your computer, you have to open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to settings. Then click on link devices. Then click on link a device. Then scan this QR code. Then it will log into WhatsApp. We will see how to do that. Open WhatsApp. Click on linked devices. Click on link a device and scan the QR code. And it is successfully logging in. I have successfully logged into WhatsApp. We will see different options available in WhatsApp. Click on account section. Click on chats, video and voice. You can enable microphone and the camera and click on notification. You can change the notification settings. Click on personalization. You can modify. Click on storage. You can change the settings. Click on shortcuts. Click on help. Click on profile. And here you can see the profile details and you can log out.